The Goitered Gazelle, a mammal of the genus Gazella in the family Bovidae and order Cetatodactyla, has a body length of about 0.8–1.4 meters, a shoulder height of around 0.5–0.8 meters, a tail length of 12–15 centimeters, and a weight of approximately 18–40 kilograms. Males are larger than females, with an agile build, slender legs, and pointed hooves. Its upper body is sandy yellow or brownish yellow, and the area from the upper lip to the eye level is white, sometimes tinged with light brown. The forehead, space between the eyes, horn base, and the nape are grayish-brown, interspersed with some black hairs. The outer ears are sandy yellow, while the lower lip and throat line are white, connecting to the white chest, abdomen, and inner sides of the legs. The tail is black. Male gazelles have dark brown to black horns about 20–30 centimeters long, which curve slightly backward and inward at the tips. The horns have prominent, ring-shaped ridges, with the number of ridges increasing with age, reaching up to 17. During summer, the colors of the coat, brown, white, and black, are more vivid, while in winter, they lighten to a sandy brown tone, blending with the desert environment. The Goitered Gazelle is a diurnal, social species that typically forms groups of a few to dozens of individuals, and sometimes even up to 100. Solitary individuals are occasionally observed. They are excellent runners and jumpers, highly adapted to cold and arid conditions. Alert and timid by nature, they quickly flee at the slightest disturbance. They primarily forage at dawn and dusk, with feeding and water sources typically 10–15 kilometers away from resting sites. Seasonal migrations occur in spring and autumn. As herbivores, they feed on desert plants, including species from Salsola, Allium, Artemisia, and grasses or chenopod's, with their diet comprising up to 47 plant species. Their diet varies significantly with the seasons, and they can extract sufficient water from the plants they consume. They prefer areas near springs, rivers, and lakes. Their main predators include snow leopards, wolves, and packs of toads. As a classic species of desert and semi-desert ecosystems, the Goitered Gazelle inhabits dry, barren areas at altitudes of 306,000 meters. It is primarily distributed across Central Asia, including China, Afghanistan, Pakistan, Turkmenistan, Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, Mongolia, and Iran. The species practices polygyny, with breeding occurring between November and January. During the rut, males maximize energy intake and exhibit distinctive behaviors to attract females and deter rivals, including low-pitched calls. Intense battles between males determine mating rights. Pregnant females leave the group before giving birth, moving to hilly areas with denser vegetation to avoid predators and disturbances. The gestation period lasts about 5–6 months, with 1 litter per year, consisting of 1–4 offspring. Newborn gazelles can stand and nurse within 10–15 minutes of birth, and for the first 4–6 days, they usually remain hidden in cover. By 2 months, the young can accompany their mothers, and they are weaned at 4–5 months. Sexual maturity is reached at 1–2 years, with a lifespan of about 8–17 years. Due to habitat destruction, illegal hunting, diseases, predation, and human activities, the population and habitat of the Goitered Gazelle are declining. The International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, has classified it as a vulnerable species.